Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I want to talk about stunting in the children. Free from stunting, the generation is strong. Indonesia is great.
I'm Bionimika, a master student from Faculty of Animal Science, Jenderal Sudirman, Purwokerto. I invite all of you to consume animal protein from livestock to prevent and overcome stunting in the children.
Stunting problems are caused by a number of factors, including 1. The lack of consumption of nutrition food. 2. Parenting parents to children. And number 3. Dirty living environment. In Banyumas regresi, meet daily protein needs by consuming beans as a source of vegetable protein. Protein needs, especially in pregnant and lactating women, is very high because it is play a role in 1,000 days of children growth. This is where the importance of the role of the livestock world to provide safe, healthy, and halal nutrition food is present in animal origin from livestock such as egg and milk that plays an important role in the formation of brain cell.
Common consumption of animal protein from livestock to prevent and overcome stunting in the children. The brilliant generation of brilliant Indonesia.